friends, welcome back to the Confident Dancers channel. If you're new here, my name is B-Girl Mel and I teach hip hop dance online. If you're someone who's struggling to learn hip hop dance, don't know where to start, or think you're too old to start something new, it's time to make this year your year to learn how to dance. Let me coach you personally, and the link to apply to work with me is in the description box below. In this video, we're gonna learn the iconic dance move, the moonwalk, that was made popular by Michael Jackson. And what's really important to know is that he did not create this move. He actually learned this move from Jeffrey Daniel, and it was originally called the Backslide. All right, let's get into it. Before we begin the breakdown, this is what the move looks like. And here it is again, just focusing on my feet. So let me just kind of show you step by step of what's happening, and then we're gonna focus on weight shifting. I'm starting with my right foot going back. So I'd step back with my right foot, and the ball of my foot is on the floor, heel is up. The next step that happens is you're gonna slide the foot that's in front, which for me is the left, and you're gonna slide it past that right foot. So let's do that 2 times. Ready? First time, 6, 7, 8, slide it back. Let's do that one more time. 6, 7, 8, slide it back. Then when you transition into the other side, you're gonna do the same thing. And to do that, you're gonna switch heel gestures. So remember that back heel is up, now you switch so that front heel is up, and you would do the same thing. Foot that's in front, you slide back. Make sure that the heel that's up stays up. You want to keep that heel up when you slide. Imagine that you have a $100 bill under that flat foot, okay? So let's try that again. We're gonna do the 2 feet, okay? Starting with my right foot, I step back, ball of the feet on the floor, heel is up, front foot is flat. Now we're gonna slide it. Switch the heel gesture so that now the front heel is up, the back heel is down, and slide it. Yeah? Make sure that you pass that foot and try not to go next to it. You want to pass it in terms of the space. Let's do that one more time. A little bit faster. Ready? And we're stepping back, slide, switch, slide. Okay? We're gonna do that again, and this time now we're gonna go 4 slide transitions in a row. So in other words, we're gonna try doing this. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're not gonna smooth it out yet. We're just gonna do it in pieces. And the intention of that is so that you can understand how to weight shift. Okay, so now let's try it in pieces, and we're gonna go 4 transitions in a row. Slow. 6, 7, 8, step back, slide, switch heels, slide, switch heels, slide, switch heels, slide. So the biggest challenge is keeping that heel up and then the slide flat. Okay, so now let's do our best to smooth it out. So a trick is if you have a hardwood floor or a smooth surface, try it with socks first because the friction is less. Side note, do this at Walmart, Target, grocery stores, because that's the best place to practice your moonwalk. Okay, so let's do it again, and let's practice the transition of this being less choppy. We're gonna go for 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Try it again. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Okay, so now we're gonna try for 6. 6 transitions of the feet, and then smoothing it out, less chop. So it's gonna look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Let's try it. Here we go. We're gonna do that sequence 2 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it the very last time. Here we go. We said 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, now that usually impresses people at parties and social events. Go ahead and try it at your next event. Thank you for sticking to the end and learning how to do the moonwalk. And lastly, if you're serious about leveling up your hip hop dance, building the confidence you truly want, and want to work with me directly, click on the link below for a free consultation call. Love you.